friends, in this video we will learn about Sabadilla. It belongs to family Liliaceae. Introduction. Sabadilla first appears in homeopathic literature as one of the staff's additions. The drug was first proved by Hahnemann. Dr. N.M. Chaudhary has justified in calling this remedy as a great sneezing remedy of our materia medica. Clinically, it is useful for Coryza, diphtheria, hay asthma, headache, influenza, intermittence, sore throat, tonsillitis, and worms. Sphere of action: mucous membrane of respiratory tract, lacrimal glands, and nerves. Pathogenesis: acting upon mucous membrane of the nose and lacrimal glands, it produces coryza and symptoms like hay fever. Constitution: physical makeup: persons of light hairs, fair complexion with a weak, relaxed muscular system, especially for chilly patients and predominantly antisoric remedy, and children with worm affections. Mental generals: illusions that he is sick, parts shrunken, that she is pregnant when merely distended from flatus, that he has some horrible throat diseases that will be fatal. Delirium during intermittence, compare podophyllum. Head: headache from too much thinking, too close application or attention, from worms. Eyes: eyelids red, burning, and lacrimation. Ears: difficult hearing. Nose: sneezing in spasmodic paroxysms, followed by lacrimation, copious watery coryza, face hot, eyelids red and burning. Throat: diphtheria, tonsillitis, can swallow warm foods more easily. Stitches and most symptoms, especially of throat, go from left to right. Sensation of a skin hanging loosely in throat, must swallow over it. Dryness of fauces and throat. Nervous system: nervous diseases, twitching, convulsive tremblings, catalepsy, from worms, compare Cinna and Surinam. Skin: parchment-like dryness of skin. Modalities: worse from cold and cold drinks and full moon. Better from warm food and drink and when wrapped up. Relationship: complementary sepia. Antidotes: pulsatilla, lycopodium, conium, and lachesis. Thanks for watching.